there's no way, this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. I can only say that it feels right.
Hey guys, welcome back to Coyote the Gamer here. Tuesdays are for the boys. I just sent them.
Feels right.
Alright guys, welcome back here, Coyote the Gamer. So today we will be checking, fixing paint corrections in the fake R32 or R28, whatever you want to call it. So here she is. So yeah, it has the Audi front wheels on it. So I'll be showing you guys the whole car. We have cleaned the full interior yesterday. No, like 2 days ago. Cleaned the vacuum, stick, Kenwood sound system. Your seats need some of that paneling stuff over there. Obviously, stick that needs to be fixed. So it has a roll of windows. Alright guys, so before we get started, I would like to show you guys where the paint's a bit here and there. I bought some supplies at AutoZone to get that all fixed up. Hopefully it'll turn out good. I don't know. Hopefully it'll turn out good. First thing we have, side panel. Well, sorry, this is an odd piece. If you can take a look at it, man. Chipping. So we're gonna just sand it all down and then paint it, put some clear on it, call that a day. This smear is fine. I would like to do that. Front top part of the bumper, I'm going to tape this bottom part, and I would like to paint the top part of the bumper because of this cracking. I would like to sand it all down and paint it. Same here, crack, chipping. These are glass, so that's, don't have to worry about that. More cracking, more chipping. This mirror is actually in really bad shape. There's no paint left on it, so probably get that fixed real quick. This side is actually in really good shape. Still a chip there, but this does not need to be repainted. There's also a really bad, scrape hit, but I'm not worried about this. I might just use a Sharpie or something. I'm not really actually worried about this part, so whatever. Cause I'm a professional body shop, so I'm gonna forget about this and probably do it later or something. Come check out the back. This whole top part of the bumper is in really bad shape. I want to repaint this the same factory color, which I'm going to do. I did polish and wax this whole side of the car, so it looks pretty much cleaner than the other side. And so these are the supplies I bought. This was $10 at AutoZone. Let me get that focus. Oh wow. Okay. Wow. Well, there it was. BUNO 100, which I think the color was an L400 something. I don't know, but it says in the back of the car. I'll show you guys where we got some primer, got some of this stuff so it smells good inside, and then we also got some clear coat. Bam, there it was. I didn't see a clear coat. This should be good enough. This, I don't know how much we have there, but we got sandpaper too. Alright, these are the sandpapers I got. We're going to be starting off with 180 and going to 320, then going to 600 and seeing how that turns out. We got some tape over there, start masking, start sanding. So it turns out, from that to, I don't know, something else. Alright, got it sort of sanded, looks like crap, but I'm going to start with the 180. I've been hitting it with the 180 to remove all the, scuffings and all that. Might not do the best, but I thought about some Onda, but I'm like, they're not that deep, so just a tad bit of sanding. You know, these are on their way. Alright, clean out the surface. I'm gonna see if the primer will fill up those small gaps. Alright guys, check it out. Getting all primed. Alright guys, already got the paint in. I'm doing the last coat to clear. I just got three coats of the actual paint, and then just I'm doing 2 coats of this. I think that's fine. It's already looking way better. Got it all done and finished. Still gonna wipe this, junk off. Look at that. Check that out. Easy.